Thank you, Therese, and hello everyone, and welcome. I'd like to thank Auntie Millie for that terrific welcome, and I'd like to thank Auntie Millie for that terrific welcome, and I'd also like to acknowledge the original custodians of our land, the Gadigal people, the Eora Nation, pay my respects to the elders both past and present, and also acknowledge the people of the various nations who So, thank you. I think I'm going in and out. Am I going in and out? Yeah. Thank you, Therese. And I'd also like to acknowledge the co-chairs of Mardi Gras, Kate Wickett and Brandon Bear. And I think we've got Penny Sharp and Alex Greenwich here with us. And I, of course, want to acknowledge especially the 78ers and Deputy Lord Mayor of the City, Jess Miller, and City Councillors. So, we're gathered here at Taylor Square beneath our rainbow flag to unveil this bright and colourful artwork, which is called 40 Years of Love. It examines the themes of repression and adversity and freedom and diversity and love. And it commemorates that first bloody struggle of the 78ers who heroically marched in that first Mardi Gras 40 years ago. Local artists Maurice Goldberg and Matthew Aberline won Mardi Gras competition to create this historic artwork. An installation more than 3 stories high, bringing together many symbols of LGBTQI love and protest. Maurice and Matthew have been inspired by artists like Peter Tully, Brenton Heath Kerr, Ron Muncaster, Keith Haring and Pierre and Gilles. And I want to thank everyone who worked so hard to ensure the artwork was safe and ready to be unveiled this week after technical issues last week. This artwork is loud and proud and fabulous, like all of you. And it's a wonderful symbol of the LGBTQI community. And it'll be here till the 1st of September. And I'm proud that the Council in 2017 unanimously agreed to support this important artwork and provide $80,000 to help deliver it. And I am excited that last week I was able to finally announce that we will soon have a new rainbow crossing on Burke and Campbell Streets near where we're gathered today. And it will be in the shape of a rainbow. Because so many people were justifiably upset and angry about the removal of our first rainbow crossing, the city consulted widely about a permanent pride artwork. What we heard was that people most wanted the rainbow crossing back, and so we worked hard behind the scenes with Roads and Maritime Services over a number of years to try and make that happen. It took a new roads minister and a few extra hurdles, but we finally got the go-ahead. The crossing will be reviewed after 6 months. That's RMS. And if it's proved to be as safe as we think it will be, then it will be permanent. So it's terrific that we're so close to the outcome we've all worked hard to achieve. The rainbow crossing returned as a permanent pride artwork in Sydney. It will join the rainbow flag, which was made permanent in 2015, and the hundreds of beautiful rainbow banners that we fly so often that were approved several years before. And this week, I heard from my friend Anne Hidalgo, who's the Mayor of Paris, to say that she is going to make their rainbow crossing also permanent. So that's very good to hear. So thank you, Mardi Gras. Congratulations again to everyone involved. Thank you to Maurice and Matthew. And I'm absolutely honoured to declare the 40 Years of Love officially unveiled.